Hello, good morning students. How are you all? Fine. I hope you all fine at home. Today we are going to learn our subject English grammar. Students, take out your page number 43. Today we are going to learn lesson am, is, am and are. Today we are going to learn in a English grammar. Okay. Now we are going to talk about is, am, are. Now when we use is, do you know this? When we use is, first read these sentences. I am a student of class 2. I am a student of class 2. Mrs. Sumaya Khan is my teacher. Rita and Payal are my classmates. Now you can see here we have used am, is and are. Today we are going to learn about this only. Now when we use am, when we talk about ourselves, अपने लिए बात करना है तो I के साथ हम क्या यूज करेंगे? Always we use am with I. Okay. Now the word is am, is, am and are the present form of the verb be. वर्ब बी के जो फॉर्म है उसके 3 फॉर्म होते हैं, एम, इज एंड आर. ओके, एम, इज एंड आर. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट दिस. प्रेजेंट टेंस फॉर्म्स आर यूज्ड टू टॉक अबाउट एक्शंस हैपनिंग एट द प्रेजेंट टाइम और नाउ. Is, am and are can be used as a main verb or as a verb that help other verb. Now when we use is, am and are, we use am, is and are in a main verb. main verb में भी हम use कर सकते हैं और other helping verb we use in a helping verb. And am, is, are is a present continuous tense. It shows present continuous tense. This actions happening now. अभी जो बात चल रही है, now I am teaching you. What I will say? What I say? I am teaching you. मैं तुमको पढ़ा रही हूँ. You are writing. आप लिख रहे हो. You are writing. Now when we I के साथ always क्या आता है? I am. Remember this thing. You के साथ are. He, she and it. When we talk about a singular thing, when we talk about singular, he, is and it, we use is. And we when we talk about we के साथ always are, because it is a plural form. Now you remember thing, when we are talking about a singular we use is, and when we are talking about a plural form, एक से ज़्यादा के लिए हमको बात करना है तो what we use are. we के साथ always क्या आता है? are. he, she and it के साथ always is. and you के साथ are and I के साथ always am. I am. I is बोल सकते हैं I is a teacher. No, it is wrong sentence. What I will say? I am a teacher. मैं टीचर हूँ. I am a teacher. You are students. आप students हो. Now this fill in the blanks. We are going to learn this fill in the blanks. First read this. Mumbai dash the business center of India. Mumbai dash the business center of India. So Mumbai is a third person, means it. So when we talk, when name is given there, one name is there, we use is, and more than one name we use are. Okay, remember this thing. Here Mumbai is given name of a city. So Mumbai is the business center of India. Second, we dash द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ हैप्पी स्कूल. वी के साथ ऑलवेज क्या आता है? वी आर, प्लूरल फॉर्म. वी आर द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ हैप्पी स्कूल. You are drinking orange juice. You are drinking orange juice. Fourth, he dash a naughty boy. Now here is given he. So what we use? He is. He is a naughty boy. Next, I dash writing in my notebook. I dash writing in my notebook. Now what I will write here? I के साथ always का क्या use होता है? am. I am writing in my notebook. The boys dash playing football. Now the boys are. The boys are playing football. Now remember here that one name is given there. So what we have used here is. When we talking about only one name, we use is. And when we talk about more than one name, see here, two names are given here, Rita and Payal. So what we have used here? Are. So we have used here are. And here Mumbai, name of a city, only one name is given there. So what we have used is. Now second, we are. We are the students of happy school. You are drinking orange juice. He is a naughty boy. When we talk about a singular, जब singular means एक के ही बारे में बात करना है, here is given he. He is a naughty boy. Next, I am writing in my notebook. When we talk about I, always we should use am. Okay. The boys are playing football. Now our exercise number B. First, read the instruction. Rewrite the following sentences by replacing the underlined words with correct ones. Here are given some sentences. Some sentences are given here. That is, there is given sentences that are incorrect. We have to write proper here. Some space are given here. We have to write here correct sentences. Okay. First read the sentence. Look here. First, there is many animals in the zoo. Now look here. Many animals. So this sentence talk about plural form. So when plural form used, that what we have to use there? Are. What we have to use there? Are. And here there is written is. So it is incomplete. So we have to rewrite this sentence again. There are many animals in the zoo. Okay, this is correct. There are many animals in the zoo. There are many animals in the zoo. Now second, a dog are under the table. See here, a dog means it says about one dog. It says about one dog. So here is a singular form. So what we have to use when we talk about singular, we use is. So rewrite this sentence again. A dog is. A dog is under the table. A dog is under the table. Now, third, Mr. Khan are my English teacher. Mr. Khan are my English teacher. Now, Mr. Khan is a singular form. So, what we have to use there is. What we have to use there is. So, Mr. Khan is my English teacher. Here written only one name, so we used is. Okay. Here are given two names or plural form. We have to use are, but only Mr. Khan is there and he is a singular. So, we use is. Okay, understand? I is going to play tennis. I is going to play tennis. When we talk about I, what we use? Am. What we use? Am. So, what we write here? I am going to play tennis. Now, again read this sentences. There are many animals in the zoo. Second, a dog is under the table. Mr. Khan is my English teacher. I am going to play tennis. This is correct form. Okay. Now, exercise number C. Use is or are in the following sentences. Some sentences are given here. What we have to use is or are. We have to correct form. We have to write in this sentences. Now look at this first and read this. The cat dash under the chair. Here only we talk about one cat. So, the cat is under the chair. So, what we use is. What we use is. The cat is under the chair. Okay. Now, second. Some books dash on the table. Some books dash on the table. Some books means we have to talk about more than one book. So, here written books. So, what we used are. What we used are. Some books are on the table. Some books are on the table. The fruits dash in the bowl. Now, we are talking about fruits. Fruits means more than one. So, it is plural form. So, what we used are. The fruits are in the bowl. So, we write here are. A boy dash running. We are talking about a boy means singular form. When we talk about a singular form, what we used is. A boy is running. What we use? A boy is running. A boy is running. Next, some birds dash sitting on the branch. Some birds dash sitting on the branch. We talk about birds. So, plural form. So, what we used are. What we used are. Some birds are sitting on the branch. Some birds are sitting on the branch. Now, read this sentences again. The cat is under the chair. When we talk about one cat, so we used here is. Some books are on the table. Books, we talk about more than one book, so we used are. The fruits are in the bowl. We talking about more than one fruit, so we used here are. A boy is running. We talk about a singular form, so we used here is. Singular form, third person singular form, so we used is. Some birds are sitting on the branch. Some birds are sitting on the branch. So students, we have completed our lesson number 9 is, am and are. So students, keep practice at home. Thank you.